Hi, my name is Jason Kim, one of the owners of Burgers on the Edge and Good to Grill here at the Safeway Kapahulu Center. We've been using Register Tape Unlimited's coupon service for the past year. This quarter, we've done over $25,000 worth of extra incremental sales, and it's worked very well for us. You can find our coupon offer on the back of all the Safeway Register receipts, and I also encourage other local businesses to try it too, to help them with their bottom line to increase new customers. It's great stuff and it works.